A lot of people might say that this bike is a piece of scrap, including my family and friends. And they're right, it is a piece of scrap, but they will be shocked once I'll rebuild it.
NANI?
Wow, look at this. It didn't have keys. That's old fuel. Stinks. It's been standing for a while, even the bolts are falling out. Didn't have the right documents for it. So, this is my BMW K100RS, which I got for very cheap. Apparently it was sitting for 7 years, and very likely it's been sitting for much longer before the previous owner actually got it. So what we're gonna do today is just rinse it and see what's happening with it, because as you can see, the state of it is not the greatest. What I'll do now, I'll put some pressure into the tires, see if it holds pressure. If it does, it's gonna be a bit much easier for me to move it around, and then I'll start cleaning it up. One of the best things what I did as a motorcycle rider, I bought a portable tire pump. It works great. I can take it anywhere, I can take it with me, and it does a very good job of actually pumping the tire quick. Keep in mind, this motorcycle has been sitting for 7 years. So it's gonna be a lot of work for me to do to actually even get it running. But I'm excited about it. My hands were itching just to start working on it. So I'm actually very excited that I'm finally starting to work on it. I didn't pump it to full because the sidewalls are cracked. I don't want to risk of some sort of unexpected explosion. Mobile tire pump. Every motorcycle rider must have it. Let's see how this motorcycle is gonna look like when it's clean. Now I'll let it sit for a couple of minutes. It's technically repainted. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, rinse it down, see what's up. Maybe put another layer of the foam and then rub it down with stuff. We'll see how it's gonna look like.
NANI?
Wow, look at this. Ooh, stuff is coming off from everywhere. Wow. Well, yeah, it's been sitting for 7 years. What do you expect? What do I expect? The reason why I decided to get this motorcycle instead of anything else, long story short, is kind of two stories to it. One, a while ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I saw a very similar, I think it was, instead of K100, I would think it was R100, the motocross type bike, and I saw it done going in for MOT, and I was very shocked how good it was. Didn't even know what bike it is, just thought it looks cool. Didn't have motorcycle license, didn't have nothing, just thought it looks cool. And the second reason, realistically, when I was looking for motorcycles that don't run, like scrap technically, I wasn't able to find anything, and by pure luck I found this one on eBay. So then I decided to actually get that one instead of anything else, because what I wanted, what I was looking for, and I was literally looking for a project. I haven't found anything. Now that I've done first round of just a general rinse with all the dirt and everything, I'll do the wheels to see maybe it's gonna remove most of the grime and old stains from the wheels, and then I'll do another round, and then I'll go with a sponge or whatever and try to make everything even more cleaner. Special wheel cleaner. The best part about this motorcycle is this wheel. It looks cool. I always thought that motorcycles with a wheel like this looks cool. You can already see this wheel cleaner reacting with all the rust and all the debris and everything. I can see that air is coming out from here. Oh, it's gonna get a new set of tires anyways. That's some proper bad looking wheels. They will very likely be repainted anyways. Well, time to rinse it. Oh, I got the camera a bit wet. Good. Now round 2 of foam. And now lots of scrubbing. Honestly, when the bike was delivered to me, I got scared because I saw it in what kind of state it is. And I got scared because 2 major things that scared me. 1, it didn't have keys, and 2, it didn't have the right documents for it. So I started to panic, but after a bit of research, I found a place that made me the keys, and I sent the form to DVLA. Oh, well, yeah, it's been standing for a while, even the bolts are falling out. Nice. So I sent out to DVLA to get the documents, still waiting for them to come. Then I thought about it, did a lot of research after the panic settled, and I saw that I am capable of making this bike the way I want it. I think I'm gonna do something special. It's gonna be my first ever proper big real project. There will be a lot of interesting things, stress, new adventures, new things to learn. As long as I'm learning whilst I'm doing stuff, I'm happy with it. It's gonna be a long project, so there's gonna be a lot of content. So if you're excited, as I am, like, subscribe, share with your friends. The tank is moving. Oh, there's a broken bolt. Nice. Seems like I'll have a lot more work to do. Great. This thing is just keep getting easier and easier. The more I look into it, the more easier it gets. Now that it's all done and it looks nice and clean, next step would be probably to take some stuff off and potentially even make it run, I guess, or check if the engine cranks over. I'm not expecting it to start because the fuel tank has some gravel inside, which is not very good for starting. But at least I can find out if the engine is seized, if it turns over, or if it's not. I was told that it turns over, so it would be nice to find out if it actually does. So let's do it. Before I start cranking it over, what I'll do, I'll dry all the electrodes with a heat gun. Obviously, I'm gonna play around a little bit with it. I think what I'll have to do when I'll start removing fairings, the front and everything, I'll have to wash it again, because from what I see, where it was covered by fairings, it didn't wash whatsoever. So I'll have to re-wash it again, make it clean. Everything is coming apart. Great. That's what we're dealing with. Now I'll try to remove the fuel tank. Oh, it's moving already. Oh, a little bit of water. It didn't went in. Good. Yeah, nice. Here we go. Great. Return line is not existent. Nice. This one. Oh, here we go. Need to undo this one also, maybe. It's not gonna come off that easy, obviously. Oh, here we go. That was easy. It's moving. Oh, wow. Now then, to start this motorcycle, I need to see if the electronics work, so which is a battery, and then if it cranks, I might put some fuel in it because I have some. Then we'll see. I still don't know what this one is for, what this one is for, no clue. So it's very likely that it's not even gonna start, which wouldn't surprise me. So yeah, let's put the battery in. Let's see what's up. The battery is in. Let's see if it does anything or no. Let me actually pull this one. out like this. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Good. Let's see. Key is in. Now, moment of truth. Oh, we got power. Nice. It does stuff. What is this? Oh, it has full beams. It has full beams? It does. Yes. Nice, nice. What is that? Oh. Indicator works. Well, it doesn't work because it doesn't have indicators, but I can hear the relay is working, which is a good sign. Nothing. I think I need to hold the clutch in. I need to sit the camera down. The ignition's still on. Let's try. Whoa! We have life. Yeah, obviously it's not gonna start because it doesn't have any fuel running. No clue what is that. That's amazing. It turns over. That's great news. We have a good engine. It's not seized. Nothing is, I guess, wrong with it because it cranks over. So that makes me very, very happy. So now either I finish the video and just clean the tank in the next one, or I continue cleaning the tank, potentially starting it, maybe? Who knows? I'll probably clean the tank and do it. Let's see what's the situation in the fuel tank. I don't know if it's gonna be visible enough. Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah, it's bad. Oh, shit. Very bad.
Brother,
I don't think it's gonna start until I will clean it fully properly. What is that? Is that sand? Maybe old dry fuel? I don't even know if the fuel pump works. Maybe I should try connect it and see if it makes any noise or anything. If it does, I might clean the fuel tank today. Just rinse it with water, acetone, dry it out, that it wouldn't rust even more. I'll still have to de-rust it fully, probably change the fuel pump and other stuff. It's literally making noise as I'm moving it around, so let's listen. Maybe it's gonna be possible to hear it. It's like there's sand in it. Oh, it seems like old fuel. Let's try to open it up and flip it upside down. Jesus. Well, I'll actually remove the whole fuel cap. 100% that's old fuel. Look at the state of this. Jeez. Wow. That's old fuel. It stinks. 99% I'm sure that I'll have to change any. Well, actually, let me try to plug it in, see what it does if I put ignition in it. If it's making any noise, if the fuel pump is working, if it's not working. Oh, now I have fuel readings. It says 7 liters. But I don't hear the fuel pump working. It's not gonna happen. So because I don't want to give up, and I never give up, what I'll try to do is clean it up. Maybe clean the fuel pump contacts inside a little bit and see, maybe I'll get it to run one way or another. Let's hope for the best. All right. Well, that explains a lot. With the way I use it, seems like I need a sponsor for brake cleaner. Because I opened a brand new can, it's almost empty. A brake cleaner, people sponsor me, please. Let's see. Zero noise. Zero noise from relay. From nothing. There's no noise. I think I need to redo the whole thing. That's how it seems like it. Well, I guess that's it for today. That's the new project, BMW K100RS, 1985, 1000cc. It's gonna be a lot of work that has to be done with it. So stay tuned, enjoy, like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. We're going to be cleaning up the tank. Peace.